What up, YouTube? Today is day 10 of my Funko Marvel Advent Calendar. Funko Pop, whatever. Um, I'm wearing an old school shirt. It's Spider-Man in the Venom suit, perched over the grave of Eddie Brock. It's kind of cool. You know, it's old school. I've had this shirt for many years. All right, recap. I have from day one, I have Iron Man, Captain America, Red Hulk, Thor, Spider-Man in the Venom suit, Loki, Venom, Daredevil, and so now we're gonna do day 9. Let me see. So here's the recap. You got Iron Man from day 1, Captain America, Red Hulk, Thor, Spider-Man in the Venom suit, Loki, Venom, and Daredevil. Alright, let's do this for day 9. Oh, oops. It looks like, I think that's Black Widow. Yep. Yeah, it's Black Widow. Nice. That's dope because the movie's coming out soon. Alright, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow on day 10.